Hey, how's it going? This is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads, and today I'll be walking you through your digital marketing attack plan to show you how you could turn Google into a lead generation machine and really generate some more revenue for your business month over month. Now, to do that, we first have to understand how are people finding landscaping companies in your area. And if you're like me and many others, chances are you're going to go on Google, type in whatever service or industry you're looking for in this upper search bar, along with your city name. And after submitting your search, you're going to pick from the first few results down below or up in the Google Map Pack. Now, it doesn't really matter which one you pick from, but it seems to be a pretty popular method, as you'll notice there are about roughly 600 searches every single month for landscaping companies in that Tulsa area. And the goal of this video is going to be to put you or your business at the forefront of those searches so we can guarantee that 600 people every single month see our business first before looking at another competitor. So definitely a very valuable tool here, but in order for it to take place, we need to know a few things first. So first off, we're going to talk about content because content is king on Google. So let's take a look at one of your competitors' sites and see what they're doing as far as content goes and determine what you'll need to be doing for your website. So here we are on RoArc Landscaping, and they are the #1 organically ranking company for landscaping services in Tulsa. And if we go down their website, you're going to notice that they don't have a lot of content on this home page. And while I said content is very important, which it is, it's super important because it promotes a positive user experience as well as giving users something to engage with. And that's what Google's directly looking for. So a company like this, although they rank very well, they leave the door open for a competitor like you to go in and outrank them if you follow the steps in this video. So like I said, we want to be very contentful. I normally recommend about 750 to 1,000 words of content on any given page. That way we can really push our margins, and that seems to be the bare minimum of what a contentful site is in the eyes of Google. Now, we don't just want content though, we're going to want very industry specific keywords, which is what this website has despite not having that much content. So to give you an idea, keywords are the most used words or phrases on a website. And based on these keywords, we're going to tell Google vital information about our business, such as what we do, maybe where we operate from, and ultimately who we are as a company. So very important that we have content, 750 to 1,000 words bare minimum, and industry-specific keywords to put us in the correct categories. So that's the beginning of where this starts, but there's a whole nother part to this, which is your external side of things, more specifically, your backlinking and your citations. So the way I like to look at it is that the internal things like content and keywords help put us in the correct categories, while the external things help us climb over our competitors within those categories. So definitely something to think about, but let's take a look at this website's backlink structure and see what they're doing so far. So here we are on a tool I use called Ahrefs, and you'll see this company has about 1,000 backlinks to their website, and it's generating them some nice power while bringing in about 300 extra users every single month. So that is a direct correlation between the content and keywords that they're using, as well as the backlinks that they're using to really drive this traffic home. And it really makes you wonder, what could an extra 300 customers a month do for my business? So definitely a lot of value here, but I recommend, just like before, we always want to go bigger and better than our competition. So if they have 1,000 backlinks, we're going to want 2,000 backlinks, maybe even upwards of 5,000 backlinks to really push that margin on top of our content and on top of our industry specific keywords. But there was one more thing that I mentioned externally, and that is going to be our citations. So let's go over to the Google Map Pack and talk about citations and how they tie into everything. So if we scroll down here, we have this Google Map Pack, and the Google Map Pack looks for a variety of different things, one of the most important being citations. Now, citations are all the different places your business's name, address, and phone number are going to be listed online. Some popular citations are things like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, Yellow Pages, Yellow Books. All those are different citations you can get for your business, and they all help with the Google Map Pack. Now, it's important, like I said, that we always go above and beyond. So I actually did the research for each one of these companies and found that the #1 company had 52 citations, the #2 had 37, and lastly, #3 had 17. So if #1 has 52 citations, we're going to want to go in and double that. So if they have 52, we want 104 citations on top of our backlinks, on top of our keywords, and on top of our content. And if you do all of that, you should start to see a very positive trend in the amount of traffic you're generating, but more importantly, the amount of revenue that your business is bringing in as well. So definitely very important. And that's all I really have for you in this video, but I will leave you with one question, which is, what could an extra 600 customers every single month do for your business? That's all I have for you here. Once again, my name is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads. I hope this video is very educational, and thank you for watching.